Hey Pioneers, welcome back to the WeAreTWU channel. My name is Skylar and I'm a junior transfer student at Texas Women's University. So we're about a month into the semester and you're probably getting into the swing of things. But you can never take too much help whenever you're in college. And did you know that all of the answers to all of your questions are actually right in your pocket? So today I'll be going over one of my favorite 5 best iPhone or Android apps that you can use that are helpful for college students. First up is Venmo. Venmo is a great app to split payments between you and your friends. You can use it for splitting payment for an Uber driver, split payment for food, or collecting rent and bills from your roommates. Or you can also just send it to your friend for money for their birthday or just if they need a little pick-me-up. Nobody really uses cash anymore, so Venmo is a great way to give people money whenever they need it. College can be rough, and it's very important that you focus on your mental health. And one of my favorite apps that I've personally used in the past is the Oak Meditation app. The reason I like this one the best out of all the other meditation apps is because it's really simple, and honestly it gives me exactly what I need. I don't really need all of the intense meditation apps. I just need a good breathing exercise and maybe one guided meditation practice, and that's all it gives me. And it's completely free, so go ahead and check that out. Next up is GroupMe. GroupMe is essential for group projects, and we also use it for communicating with student organizations or on-campus jobs as well. There's always that one person who has an Android. It just messes it up for everybody. So GroupMe is great for you to communicate with your group members or anybody on campus, communicate with your classmates. And there's also such thing as GroupMe etiquette as well, which means that whenever you see a message and it's important, you like the message so that it shows that you've seen it. So remember that whenever you use GroupMe in the future. So Quark is the app that we use to connect to Pioneer Engage, which is our database that we use on campus to connect with events on campus and organizations on campus as well. So you just log on to it normally with your Pioneer ID and it shows all of the events and all of the organizations. And fun fact, you can actually RSVP to the events and it'll add a calendar and a notification to your iPhone or Android calendar as well. I just don't understand how it's 2019 and there are college students that don't have a LinkedIn account. Come on, don't wait until your business communications course to get started on networking. I think it's pretty safe to say that if you're in college right now, then you probably want to have a job after you graduate. And one of the best ways to find job opportunities is by getting on LinkedIn and networking with your community. So go ahead and get on LinkedIn and connect with your faculty, your classmates, your professors, and anyone you know, and it'll open more opportunities for you. Also, Texas Women's University offers you a free LinkedIn Learning account, so you can go on there and learn anything that you need, like personal branding or accounting help. So that's awesome as well. So thank you for watching and thank you for checking out this channel. I'm also on the lookout for somebody to help me film these videos because right now it's just me, and so I definitely need some help around here. So if you enjoy these videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next month. Thank you. Bye.